My birds are fighting over their food right now because I forgot to feed them this morning. I just put the food in their bowl and they're like fighting each other for it. And I think it's kind of funny because they can't get any food for each other because they just fight for it. And they're fucking hungry. As you can see, they're just sitting there mowing down food. You see, that one just like attacked the other one. It's so fucking hilarious. It's so funny. Holy shit. You see that? See, they're fighting over fucking food. It's very normal. They're animals. That's what they do. As my aunt just told me about like 10 minutes ago. Tico, are they picking on you? They're being mean to you, aren't they? Are they being mean to you, Tico? Uh, you don't want to talk, right? You can probably hear them going squealing at each other, a very low pitched sound. And they're fucking getting food all over the floor. Like they just fucking got fed in like the last 3 days. That's what they're acting like. Very weird birds. Goodbye.